Here's a booking app you can create without having to pay monthly fees. Hey mom, let's get you paid. So if you are a coach or you have any kind of business that needs you to consult with someone, so people need to actually come onto your books and book a session with you, whether that's via Zoom or even if you're meeting people in person, these are two apps that make sure, two apps, softwares, I don't know. These are the two tools that you're going to need to create yourself a system where a person pays you and then books time with you. So that whenever you're rendering a service, you've already been paid. Okay. So you're going to do first is go on to Yoco and by the way, this is not a sponsored post, although they are welcome to come through. But you're going to get yourself you're going to register for a Yoco payment gateway situation. And then after you've done that, you're going to go to Calendly and you're going to create your slots basically. So the different times that people can book, you're going to create that. That's also a free app. I mean, it's got paid option, but the free option works just fine. Then what you're going to do, right? Once you've got your Calendly set up, and your Yoco setup, you're going to go to your payment page, right? So not a payment link. The payment link is the one that if you're sending to a client directly, and then you create a payment link, but there's a payment page. Yoco's got a payment page link, right? You're going to edit that link so that it redirects to your Calendly. Okay, so you're going to go to the payment page, go to the link, edit that link so that it redirects to the Calendly link. So then what happens is a person's going to enter the amount that you're charging them for your session. So, and then after they've clicked paid, it's going to redirect them to the calendar. And then when they get to the calendar, they can book the dates that they want to have a chat with you. This then becomes completely free for you, right? Obviously, Yoco will charge you transactions, but whatever. But that's how you create that's how you create a booking system that doesn't need you to have monthly fees for it. It literally works when you have the work. If you made it this far, you're the real one. And as a thank you, if you're someone that would like to have a session where we go through your business or your business idea and we figure out how to either structure an offer for you or figure out where the bottleneck in your business is, why are you not getting customers, then just DM me 30% yellow and I will know that you are coming directly from this video. I hope you find this helpful. And until next time, I wish you the courage to live the life of your dreams. Bye, Mama.